Introducing the 2012 Nissan Titan. This four-door, six-passenger truck just recently passed the 20,000-kilometer mark. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful eight-cylinder engine. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, skid plates, a bed liner, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.